Look at this beauty, abandoned for decades. What secrets does it hide?
I can't believe something like this has been forgotten here, and let's see what we can do.
Careful. Every movement must be precise. It's heavy and delicate.
Step by step, every lever and panel is coming back to life. Every piston and rod needs careful attention. Precision is key.
Look at that shine, the Sayer. Every wheel and rod is coming back to life.
Yes. Everything is moving smoothly. Engine fully operational.
Look at this beauty, the Say. Every detail restored.
Finally out of the garage, Swain, restored and ready for adventure.
From abandoned scrap to full glory, Hotland Polling, Thomas is alive again.
These front bolts are heavily corroded. We'll remove them carefully to access the engine block without causing further damage. The internal engine parts are coated in rust and old grease. We'll need to degrease and clean each component before starting restoration.
These rods are seized from rust. We'll carefully remove them to restore movement without damaging the frame.
All rods removed safely. Each will be cleaned and polished before reinstallation.
Wheel hubs are badly corroded. We'll need to remove old grease and sandblast these surfaces before polishing.
These panels protect critical internal pipes. We'll carefully remove them to avoid bending or breaking old metal.
The pipes are heavily corroded. We'll need to clean and replace some sections to restore full functionality. These small rods and gears are delicate but seized with rust. We'll clean each one thoroughly before reassembly.
The pipes are fragile due to corrosion. We'll remove them carefully and replace any sections beyond repair.
These wheel hubs are seized with rust. Careful torque will free them without damaging the axles.
With these panels removed, we can access the engine block for detailed restoration. These internal components are heavily corroded. We'll clean, sandblast, and lubricate before reassembly. These bolts are tight and seized. We'll need penetrating oil to safely loosen them for restoration. All components have been safely removed and laid out. Next, we'll start deep cleaning and rust removal.
Disassembly complete. Every part is documented and ready for cleaning and restoration.
We start by brushing off the thickest rust layers. This prepares the engine for chemical degreasing.
This degreasing solution dissolves decades of grime. We'll scrub each part slowly for thorough cleaning.
The wire brush removes stubborn rust. Each stroke uncovers the original metal beneath. Rinse thoroughly to remove all rust flakes and debris, keeping the metal ready for fine detailing. Some rust is too thick for brushing. Scraping carefully preserves metal while removing corrosion.
After removing rust, we polish gently to prepare each part for restoration and prevent damage.
Each rod needs careful attention. Remove remaining grime so the metal is ready for polishing and reassembly. Lubricating bolts prevents future rust and ensures smooth assembly.
The internal pipes need meticulous cleaning. We'll remove all corrosion to ensure safe reinstallation.
Rinsing removes all residual debris. Every component must be completely clean before drying. Drying prevents new rust from forming and prepares parts for final polishing. The drying prevents new rust from forming and prepares parts for final polishing.
Polishing reveals the original metal beneath corrosion. Every rod must be flawless for assembly. Threads are polished and lubricated to ensure smooth reinstallation and prevent future rusting.
Polishing the pipes ensures no residual corrosion and a smooth surface for assembly.
Inspection confirms all parts are clean, polished, and ready for reassembly. Every detail has been restored carefully.
Everything is organized and labeled. The engine is now ready for the reassembly phase, ensuring smooth workflow. Position the engine block carefully. Alignment is critical to ensure smooth operation.
Tighten each bolt gradually. Proper torque ensures engine stability.
Align rods with axles precisely to prevent binding during operation.
Ensure each bolt is tight. Loose rods can cause mechanical failure. Wheels must align perfectly. Check rotation and remove any resistance. Panels protect internal components. Align carefully and secure each bolt.
Each pipe must be fitted precisely. Tight joints prevent leaks and ensure smooth engine operation. Tighten joints carefully. Each connection must be leak-proof.
Panels protect engine parts. Secure them carefully to maintain structural integrity.
Check each wheel carefully. Proper rotation is key before final assembly.
Inspect everything thoroughly. Proper reassembly ensures safe operation and longevity.
Remove dust thoroughly to prepare the exterior for polishing and detailing.
Polishing enhances color and texture. Each panel receives careful attention.
Wheels and rods polished to highlight their clean metal and restore original appearance.
Every panel must be spotless. This ensures a uniform, professional finish. Interior is cleaned meticulously. Controls and levers must feel tactile and polished.
Polishing ensures all moving parts shine and operate smoothly.
Everything is in place. The locomotive is ready for its first inspection and reveal. Front panels and headlights polished carefully. Every reflection counts for a professional finish. Test wheel rotation and undercarriage movement. Everything must operate smoothly before reveal.
Engine starts smoothly. Every component reinstalled correctly. Rods and pistons moving in sync.
Polish each wheel and rod. Ensure full shine for both aesthetics and operational smoothness. Interior detailing complete. Every control, gauge, and surface feels and looks pristine. Observe the full exterior. Polished panels and shining wheels highlight restoration quality.
Remove all dust and debris carefully. Every corner must be cleaned for a proper restoration.
Check each lever and gauge for corrosion. Take note of all damaged areas. Wipe seats carefully. Partial cleaning removes dirt but preserves texture for further restoration. Remove rust gradually. Maintain partially cleaned sections for realistic step-by-step restoration.
Calibrate each gauge carefully. Accuracy is key for functional restoration.
Windows must be streak-free. Wipe carefully to maintain clarity in half-restored cabin. Check all cleaned areas. Half-restored cabin should show clear progress while still retaining some rust and wear for realism. Apply finishing polish carefully. Every panel should gleam uniformly. Interior is fully cleaned. Seats, levers, and gauges shine and feel smooth to touch. Polish wheels and rods to perfection, highlighting clean metal and smooth operation.
Engine starts smoothly, all components reinstalled correctly and functioning.
Observe the fully restored exterior from every angle, highlighting all polished details. The interior is fully restored. Every control, seat, and surface is polished and operational.
Here is the fully restored Thomas locomotive, shining and ready, inside and out.
Thomas leaves the garage fully restored, every panel and wheel gleaming. Watch the wheels and rods move smoothly. Restoration is complete, ready for operation outside the garage.